So I already cleansed my face. I thought I would get that out the way. After cleansing, you would do exfoliation. And I like to do a double exfoliation. I like to apply an enzyme on my face and then a micro exfoliation. So let's get to it. So now that that's done, I like to add my Daily Microfoliant by Dermalogica. And I don't like to use what I use for my clients. So I buy travel size for me. That's why it's so little. You add a little bit of water. And then I also like to add Dermalogica Multivitamin Power Exfoliant. They look like this. It's like a topical vitamin A. And if you wanted to be more powerful, you can add steam, but I already did an enzyme, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm not trying to burn my face away. And my skin can handle that. Other people's skin can, but mine can't. So we'll just mix our little potion together. Yeah, baby. And then we'll add it to the face. Oh, baby. Okay, so now that's all removed. I like to do a little bit of high frequency, which kills bacteria. I've been breaking out because it's that time of the month. So let's get into high frequency. Okay, so after I high frequency, I normally on my clients before high frequency, after I exfoliate, I like to extract. I'm not going to do any extracting today, but after I am going to use one of my favorite masks, and it's from SD Max, beta carotene fluoride. It's with vitamin A, and it's fast relief hydrogel mask. The ingredients are amazing, and unfortunately you can't get these masks unless you are an esthetician or have a cosmetology license. But these masks are an esthetician's freaking holy grail. So I'm gonna mix it up and be right back. So the masks look something like this. I don't know why I repeated myself, I've never really put it on myself before. I've only put it on clients, so we'll see how this goes. It's probably gonna get really messy, but it's worth a shot. I've been wanting to use this on myself for so long, but it's like, it's so hard. You guys will see. Oh, baby. So I took the mask off and I added my favorite moisturizer, and I know you guys see the difference in my skin. I mean, I do. It's crazy. There's still a little bit of that mask, but I'll take it off after I'm done with the video. But just look at my skin. My skin looks healthy. My skin looks glowy. Way better than it did before. And I so needed a facial so desperately bad. And having a child, it's so hard doing anything. Like making this video must have took over an hour because I had to keep stopping and attending to my baby and stopping and attending to my baby. So I hope you guys like this video. It took a lot out of my day. I hope I can make more of these in the future. Better quality. Maybe next time he'll cooperate better. I love you to death. I love him to death. But it's hard doing anything with a baby. And then I like to end off a facial with a little bit of spritz. SPF, always. And you're ready for your day. So I hope you guys liked my video, and I hope I can make more of these. And thanks for watching. Bye.